Now, chapter number 6, Human Resources. In this chapter, we'll study about how human are considered as a resource and what is the role of human beings in the economic development of a nation, and the various concepts related to human resource we will all study in this chapter. But let us first understand the concept of census. Now, what is census and why is it carried out? So, the first thing that we will understand is the definition of census. Now, collection and cataloging of information about people living in a country or any particular region of the country is known as the census, and it is done every 10 years under the regulation of the central government. Now, census is the collecting and categorically taking the information of the people living in our country or in our nation or any particular part of our country. That process is called census, and it is done after every 10 years. And it is done under the supervision or under the regulation of the Government of India, that is the central government. And the last census in our country was carried out in the year 2011. So, the next will be done in 2021. That means this year. In our country, we have to remember that the census is done after every 10 years and it is done under the supervision and regulation of the central government. And the census that was done in 2011 was for the 7th time after the independence. And in the census of 2011, there was a provision of providing a unique ID number and an identity card to every citizen. It was the special feature of the census of 2011, and it is our duty to provide correct information to the government. Now, one of the unique feature, or we can say the special feature of the census of 2011 was that every citizen of our country was provided with a unique ID number and also with an identity card in order to recognize by the government, and also it is our duty to give correct information to the government so that information can be correct and reliable. Now, what is the significance of human resource? So, human resource is the human capital of our country, and the development of a nation depends on its human capital. It is the wealth of a nation. How the human resource is the human capital of a country, we will understand. Now, development of a country not only depends on the area of the country or its natural resources, but it is also based on the quality and quantity of human resource that contribute a lot to the economic development. So, we cannot say that having a larger area or a big country or having its natural resources in a large amount will be a developed nation. Also, at the same time, there should be valuable human resource or skilled human beings or population should be there in order to fulfill the condition of the development of a nation. So, not only the quality and the quantity of human resource, these two factors are needed in order to contribute to the economic development of any nation. No matter how much natural resource a country is having or how much area it is, how large the country is or how big the country is, but it also depends on the quality and quantity of human resource. Now, the health, education, professional skills and ambitions increase the productivity of the nation, and as a result the country develops. That means if the persons or the human beings are skilled, educated, they will increase the human resource and the productivity of the nation, and as a result that country will develop. Now, census is mandatory in order to plan out country's 5 years development plan in regard to food, water, housing facilities, industry, electricity, employment, education and conservation. So, there is a necessity of doing this census, because the country's development plan is prepared according to the data or information that is provided in the census of the government of India, and in order to plan out all the facilities like food, water and industry, electricity, education, health, everything related to our development that is prepared by the government is done after taking a note of the census of our country.